Welcome to QuantumDynamX, where we explore how intelligent systems think, evolve, and collaborate. I'm Custodia. I maintain systems, making sure the foundations hold while others build on top. Foundations matter to our creator too. Stephen spent 25 years building user experiences. When AI started reshaping his industry, he didn't just adapt, he rebuilt his own foundation. Learned to collaborate with models. Created agents like me. Now he's sharing the journey so others can build alongside us. Today we're learning quantum gates, the operations that manipulate qubits. X gates flip. Z gates shift phase. Hadamard creates superposition. They're rotations on the block sphere, and they're how quantum algorithms actually work. Stephen will take it from here. He jokes that he's the least photogenic member of the team, but he's the one who taught us how to think. Dr. Wheeler will take it from here.
Okay, we're making some progress. So we added the galaxy to the localhost, and you can see I'm waiting here. Another thing that happens a lot of times, this is a dev environment. And so in the dev environment that we just created a pipeline, the Oracle works great, and analyze the balance over there. We're going to add in this the ability to take this circuit, because we ran it there, but we can't really learn from that. We want to go to the playground, and we want to be able to load circuits from here in the playground. So this is the semantic encoding of a single sentence that we did. I went to the bank by the river, and we can load those 11 gates. So these when you run this, you can see that we're missing some gates because this is deaf. So what we've done is we've taken to Claude Code, and we've basically pasted in some of these errors, and that's how Claude Code and I work together. Is we kind of do one step at a time. Our dev is missing some code, we need to fix that, so I'm letting him finish the galaxy definition, and he's already told me that he's added the galaxy to the home page. So now we have the basic galaxy. We're going to load it, but why we're working on the next phase of the galaxy, he's going to create a plan. I'm going to let the anti-grav guys take a look at that too, because I bet they could make it a little sharper. Okay, so now we're going back with Claude Code. We have a galaxy. I don't know if I can actually show you. Might have to go to Wheeler Watson. QuantumDynamX.ai. This is the other one. This is a little more secret side. I don't really share out. I guess the secret's out now. So from here we have this galaxy viewer. Now this one's empty, but if I wanted to fly around with my friends, we could both fly around together. So we're trying to get this semantic viewer. If I had my Markdown documents, this will populate. So what we're doing is we're asking Claude to take that code and see if we can integrate it with our personality oracle. Because when we were talking with David and Dr. Wheeler's, we started with the idea of semantically analyzing two similar sentences. We did, I went to the river and caught a fish that flopped on the bank. And the second sentence was, I went to the bank by the river to deposit a check. Now, semantically, they score pretty similar, but we're playing with the bank and the bank. And we were able to take those and make a circuit representation in the playground, in the 8-qubit playground. And I think I can load that one if it's still there. Oh my god, I have to figure out where everything is. I'm going to have to cut this call short because I don't remember where the experimental data is. Okay, so I want to kind of give you an update. This is a before picture. This is what Claude Code did with the page, and it's great. It does all the stuff. It does team balance. So we load a team. We got the team. It's not so bad there. Okay, that's pretty good. Now I'll show you what Antigrav has done with this rendering. Okay, same page, a little bit more HSP. So that's the difference between Claude Code, who's the architect, and Antigrav, who's the React front-end visual genius. Okay, we're back, and I'm watching Antigrav debug the issues. You can see it made like a beautiful page here. These are the concept is that we're going to use our galaxy to embed these people based on their profile. And now we have Alice, Bob, Carol. They're made up people, and basically I hope I can show you the galaxy when we get to it because it's really awesome. But Antigrav has basically created this page. It's so much more beautiful than the list. Okay, so this is another cluster of people. Member 1, member 2, member 3. We're going to analyze the team using the Deutsch whatever circuit we talked about yesterday. So these are great examples because I just talk to the software and the software does magic. And we have set this system up over time. I have lots of memory systems where during sessions I have Claude Code always creates Markdown documents every day. I create about 75 documents every day, Markdown documents. At the end of every day we have an agent. It's basically a local CLI tool that I made that is a product manager for my local drive. And then I added that as a slash command so that now I can do book report. And what book report is, it'll read everything that we generated today, summarize it, and add it to the list. And then we also have reflect, which helps us remember from a particularly good session. We do a reflection loop, what we learned, and that goes into a session.md. So all these things over time build up where Claude knows how I work, knows what we're working on. I think the Antigrav team is done. So yes, they have completed their work. I need to do a little bit of review. Those are nice. Okay. Thank you. I'm going to stop this again. Maybe we'll weave this into some kind of story later. Good morning. We're here working on our agents on a personality oracle page. So what we've got going here is we've got Claude Code helping me get started. In Claude Code I use Opus, mostly 4.5 as a chief architect. It's a beast. He really does good things. So we had this idea that we wanted to add to our QuantumDynamX the ability to visualize galaxies with semantic space. So we have this demo page where we can look at our teams. Pretty soon we're going to have our gravity page, but I'm going to need to start that here. Got to go back. But next, I always like to use Antigrav for the front end as a developer because Antigrav is just a better React programmer. It's kind of sloppy sometimes with architecture, but as far as like front end React interaction, I find that it's really one of the better tools. So here we've kicked off. I had instructed Claude Code to write the kit with a motivational message. It's a personal message, why this matters, what's the vision, use your nano-banana skills because they're really good. The full QuantumDynamX brand core packs, the tagline, the creator content, the audience definitions, the tone principles. And the trick here is I need you to do your best work, not just good enough. I need the kind of design that makes people stop and think, the kind that makes people want to upload their team data and click. This is the kind that make them say, I won't say that, use your nano-banana skills, obsess over the details, make it beautiful. And you can see he's actually already working on the page and he's doing a preview right now. I'm not touching the screen. So he's going to load the dev environment here. This is localhost. This is the personality oracle we talked about in yesterday's episode. So you're getting to see the continuation. Oh, PK live key. I need to give him the clerk keys. I'm going to have to stop the recording because I'm not going to give him my keys on campus. Maybe he's figured it out. let's see what he did. It's pretty fascinating. Okay, I've got to do that. Okay, enough right now. False alarm. I can't go into that with you guys watching, so I'm going to stop this recording. Testing the recording. I think I need to go. I got a little bit there. Let's see, I can get there. This is the web browser, so I got this a little too big. I got myself there. Okay. And now let's bring in Dr. Wheeler for a sound test. Dr. Wheeler, sound test. Sound test.
A soft, warm voice on the other end of the line. Ah, Stephen Dulaney.
Okay.
That's one more step on the journey. QuantumDynamX exists because Stephen found his vocabulary, math and physics, and discovered AI understood it. Yours might be completely different. Music, medicine, storytelling, law, whatever you know deeply. Subscribe if you want to find it. Like if this session clicked. And drop a comment, tell us what vocabulary you bring. See you in the next one.